everyone, this is Wali and welcome to Mukta Arts and Studios. So in this session we are going to show you beautiful designer work sarees. So let me explain my saree first. So here comes a bright shade of tomato red, and also on complete saree we have got the stone work with red. So this is in tomato red shade, and also on borders we have this pipelining with tomato red color. So this is the blouse we have got for the saree. So we have both stitched and unstitched blouses in this session. So let's have a look at the mannequin pieces. Here comes the first piece on mannequin. It's a darker shade of maroon, and also on complete saree you can see this stones with maroon, and we are getting this blouse with the saree, ready-made stitched blouse with sleeves. And on complete saree and blouse you can see this bricks pattern work. So let's see the second piece on mannequin. Here we have brighter shade of mango yellow with pink colored pipelining on the edges of border. So we have ready-made stitched blouse for this saree as well. So this is the final piece on mannequin. We have navy blue color on complete saree with red color pipelining on the edges of border. So on this saree you can see this beautifully designed work with stones, white stones and pearls. We even have kardana in between. So we have got the stitched, ready-made stitched blouses for most of the sarees. So let's have a look at the work on the blouse too. So here you can see sequin chips, kardana work on sleeves of the blouse. Now let's see the rest of the pieces. So this is the first piece. We can see two different shades of green on this, pista green on complete saree, and we even have bottle green in between. So also on this one we have zigzag lines with gold. When it comes to border, we have kardana work on borders. So this is how the saree is designed. So on borders you can see kardana pearl work with leaves. This is the pallu. And this is the piece. So we have a darker shade of green on blouse. So in this session we are going to show you both designer stitched blouses and also this unstitched blouse. Though it's unstitched, you can see this work on the blouse for neck and sleeves. So the work shown here, you can use it for back neck. This part you can use it for back neck, and here we have work on sleeves. Price for this one is 7,850 rupees on. Let's see the next piece. So it's a mix of floral work and stone work on borders. So let me explain the saree color first. We have darker shade of chocolate brown in the background of the saree with this beautiful floral prints. We can see bunch of flowers on complete saree. So this is how the saree is with stones on two sides of the border. So when it comes to stone work, we have golden colored stones. With pallu, and this is the blouse. So we have got a plain colored blouse. For sleeves you can see this design on stones. Price is 17,999. 17,999. So let's see the next piece. we have cream color. And on complete sari we have this floral print with sea green. And also you can see different shades of green on the sari. Sea green for the flower, and on leaves you can see bottle green. This is the pallu. And we have unstitched blouse for this one. So this is the blouse. But even on this blouse we have a plain print. And on sleeves we have the stone work. So for price, please do contact our helpline numbers. So now let's see the helpline number. So here are our helpline numbers for orders. Please do contact us on this WhatsApp number. So we have seen some sort of collection from the beginning of the video till now. So if you have liked any sari, take a screenshot of that and share us on this WhatsApp number given here. For further enquiries, you can definitely reach out on this number. Also, we have Google Pay contacts given on this note. Take a screenshot of this note and keep it handy. We do ship throughout the globe. So guys, hurry up and keep placing orders. So on this sari, so the work given is too lovely. Just have a look at it. So let me explain the color combinations first. We have grey in the background with navy blue color work. So in the background of the sari we have got a patch with navy blue with kardana work on the same patch. Also you can see this floral work with cloth given on this patch. So here is the pallu. And we are having two blouses for this. One is the unstitched blouse with the sari. So this is the blouse, plain blouse for the sari. And also we have a beautifully stitched blouse. And for this we have long sleeves. So this is how the blouse is. So this is the front view of the blouse. So complete blouse is designed with kardana work. And this is the back view. Let me show you the sleeves. So we have long sleeves, full long sleeves for this blouse with kardana work in the background of navy blue colored net. Price for this one is 16,499 rupees only, 16499. So here comes another light colored sari. So this is white sari, pure white with stone work on borders and also on the sari. So you can see this white colored stones spread on complete sari. When it comes to border, we have cut work borders on two sides with stones and pearls work. We even have sequin chips. Here is the pallu. So even the pallu is beautifully designed. Just have a look at it. So this is the blouse. So you can use that for backneck design, and here are for the sleeves. Price for this one is 14,999 only. So we have got many inquiries regarding the designer stitched blouses. So that's the reason today we are doing this session. But in this session we have both stitched ready-made blouses and also unstitched blouses. So here we have peach colored sari with embroidery work given on complete sari. When it comes to border, we have cut work on two sides of the border with this pearl and kardana work. And also on complete sari body, we have embroidery thread work with peach, navy blue, green, different shades of green color threads are used. This is the pallu. And here comes the blouse. So even on this blouse we have this beautifully designed work And price for this, please do contact our helpline numbers for the prices which I've missed here. So for most of the sarees I've been reading out the prices, but for some sarees which I've missed, you can contact our helpline numbers. So this is a brighter shade of hot pink on this saree. So if you can see this booty work, we have 3 to 4 flowers placed at a place. So we have used a different kind of material to do this work, to do this floral work all over the borders. So in between, if you can see this properly, we have stones studded on 2 sides of the border. With pallu. So we have a complete contrast green colored blouse for this one. So we have pista green color blouse for this hot pink saree. Price for this is 12,999 only. So here we have baby pink. So this is heavily designed with embroidery work, and also golden thread is used to design this work. You can see floral creepers all over the saree with gold and different shades of pink. When it comes to border, we have cutwork design on 2 sides of the border. With pallu. So for this one, we have a netted blouse, unstitched netted blouse with work on it, embroidery thread work. Price for this is very reasonable, 6,050 rupees only. So this is a pista green colored saree. So it's a organza saree with pista green and cutwork borders on 2 sides. So on borders you can see this pearl work, and also we have used a different kind of metal on the leaves given. Even on the complete saree we have this floral patterns placed randomly with pallu. So the blouse is quite differently designed for this. It's an unstitched blouse with a lighter shade of grey. So we have a contrast colored blouse for this with floral print on it. Let's see the price for the saree. It costs 4,750 rupees only. Here we have another beautiful shade of blue. So this is darker shade of navy blue with floral print on complete saree. So you can see different shades of pink and royal blue colored flowers on saree. When it comes to border, we have blue colored stones placed on borders of 2 sides. Here is a pallu, and this is the blouse. So the blouse is simply designed with this floral print with black. Price for the saree is 17,999 only. So you can see 2 different shades of green on the saree too. So in the upper part of the saree, we have lighter shade of green, and when it comes to down, we have teal green, darker shade of teal green, and mirror work on 2 sides of the border, and also on complete saree you can see mirrors in leaf shape. So we have cutwork borders on 2 sides. This is the pallu. here comes the piece. Price is 7,750 only. So in this pattern we have already seen baby pink colored saree, but here we have peach color. So you can see different shades of pink on this saree with golden thread work in between. Here is the pallu. And this is the blouse. Price is 6,050 rupees only. So this is a lighter shade of pink. So the work on this is very limited. We have limited work on the saree, and also you can see this shiny effect on the saree. So we have got a decent shine on complete saree. So on borders we have stones and floral work, thread work. Here is a pallu. So you can see some hangings on pallu with a contrast colored blouse. So this is the blouse with work on it. It's a lighter shade of sky blue. Price is 7,550 rupees only. So for orders, please do contact us on this WhatsApp number given here. Take a screenshot of this note and keep it handy. Also, video shipped throughout the globe. So guys, hurry up and keep placing orders. So this is a darker shade of grey. So we have white stones placed on this one. So just clearly observe the work pattern on the saree. With blouse and pallu. So we have a self-colored blouse and pallu for the saree. Price for this is 14,999 only. So here we have hot pink. So this is the second color with hot pink. So on borders we have navy blue, pipeline with navy blue on two sides of the border. So let's see the work on this. We have got kardana, stones and thread work with navy blue colored thread on saree. Pallu. So we have a contrast colored blouse for this. So it's darker shade of green. Price is very reasonable, 10,599 rupees only. So here we have lemon yellow. So with green and lemon yellow on this saree. Green is on borders, edge borders. And on complete saree you can see this floral booties with embroidery thread work. And on borders we have the simple work on two sides of the border. This is a saree. Pallu. And this is the blouse. Price for this one is 4,750 rupees only. So another organza saree is here with a shade of onion pink. So on this saree we have cut work border design with pearls and embroidery thread work given on complete saree with the background of onion pink. So complete borders is designed with kardana and pearls. This is the pallu. So we have a self-colored blouse for this saree. So for price, please do contact our helpline number. So here we have another pretty shade of blue. So it's a beautiful shade of sea green. And on borders we have this floral work. Designed in the form of a rose. So also you can see those roses on saree placed randomly. So we have pearls, kardana and many other metals work on two sides of the cutwork border with pallu. So this is the blouse. So even on the blouse you can see this design. So the work given is too pretty on this blouse. Price is 5,750 only. So we have already seen pure white color saree with stone work. So this is the second piece. But the design given on this one is a bit different when compared to the previous one. So this is how the saree is with pallu. And this is the blouse. Price for this one is 16,999 only, 16,999. So we have seen this color before and the pattern also we have seen this patterned saree before, but the work given here is a bit different. So you can see onion pink color, lighter shade of onion pink on the saree, and the one which I've shown previously is with the baby pink, and here we have onion pink with embroidery thread work on overall saree. So on borders you can see this work with embroidery thread work. So we have used different shades of pink on this saree. With pallu. So we have a netted blouse for this, unstitched netted blouse. Price is 5,550 rupees only, 5,550. So this is darker shade of blue, ink blue. So you can see the circular rings with pink, and we have got a ready-made stitched blouse for the saree with pallu. So let's see the blouse for this one. So this is the front view of the blouse. We have a hot pink blouse for this one. So also on complete blouse you can see this work, and here is the back view with 2D. So we have stitched sleeves for the saree. Now let's see the price for this one. So this costs 5,750 rupees along with the ready-made stitched blouse. So this is a lighter shade of pink. And also we have this lines given on the complete saree with cutwork borders on two sides. So the metals used here are the pearls, kardana, sequin chips, and also we have kundan work on the saree with pallu. So for this saree we have two blouses. One is the unstitched blouse which comes with the saree. So here comes the front view of the blouse. So this is fully stitched, and we even have work on this blouse. And this is the back view. So we have boat neck for this. Price for the saree along with the blouse is 16,999, 16,999. So complete saree is in single color blue. It's a darker shade of blue. So you can see this work on complete saree. These are sequin chips, golden sequin chips, placed randomly on complete saree. And when it comes to border, we have kardana work, more of kardana work on two sides of the border with white stones. So this is the pallu, and we have a ready-made stitched blouse for this one. So this is the back view of the blouse with complete work, and also you can see the sleeve. We have sequin chips on complete sleeve, and also this work given with kardana. Here is a front view of the blouse. Price for this one along with the blouse is 13,999 only. So it's a lighter shade of yellow. So on borders we have this work with a different cloth. And on complete saree we have sequin chips designed in the form of a flower. So we have floral booties on complete saree with sequin chips. Here is the pallu. So for this one we have a stitched blouse for the saree. So this is the back view of the blouse with fully stitched sleeves. Also the work on this is a bit differently designed. Just have a look clearly. So we have stones on this, thread work, and we have a boat neck for this one. So for price, please contact our helpline numbers. So here is another beautifully designed saree. So it's a black colored saree, and also we have a slight decent shine on complete saree with black. So it's designed with beads on border. So we have too many beads designed on two sides of the border. So even for this saree we have a ready-made stitched blouse. So this is the pallu. Let's see the blouse work for the saree. So this is the blouse. So we have a high boat neck for this, and also you can see the shimmery work on complete blouse, front side and back side of this. So this looks too pretty in live. Let's see the price. So price for this is 15,050 rupees on. So So this is the last piece in today's session. We have lighter shade of peach on this with roses on border. So we have designed roses with a different metal on borders. Also you can see pearls and kardana work on border. This is the pallu. So for this saree we have a ready-made stitched blouse. So let's have a look at the blouse. This is the back view. And this is the front view of the blouse. So we have stitched long sleeves for this too. So let's see the price for this one. So for the prices which have missed in this session, please contact us on our helpline numbers. So for this saree, price is 8,250 only. So let's have a look at the helpline numbers. So here are the helpline numbers for orders. Please do reach out to us on this number. So if at all you have liked any saree shown in this session so far, take a screenshot of that and share us on this WhatsApp number. So we do ship throughout the globe. So guys, hurry up and place your orders. So that's it in this session. Goodbye.